Pulao is ready. Final, we are adding some ghee for the extra flavor. Then I am adding the garnish, the coriander and mint leaves, chopped coriander, mint leaves. Let's stir it a little bit. Once it's cooled down a little bit, I can serve and show you how it looks. Thank you for watching my video. Here is my quick and easy vegetable pulao served with some cucumber raita. This cucumber I picked it from my garden. Hello, welcome to my cooking channel, Meta's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today again I am cooking for my lunch. So it is a very quick and easy vegetable pulao. This is a very easy recipe for anybody who wants to have a wholesome meal. The easy recipe, minimal ingredient and very colorful and tasty also. So let's start the process. I am using 1 cup of basmati rice. First, let's take some hot water and soak this 1 cup of rice for 10 minutes in the hot water. I'm keeping it there. Let it soak. Let me go with the ingredients first. Here we have 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 bay leaf. This is broken, so it's like I took a couple of pieces. 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 1 whole cardamom, 2 pieces of cloves, 1 big cardamom. This one gives a smoky flavor to the whole dish, but if you don't have it on your hand, you can omit that. Ginger. I'm going to use 2 green chilies for the spice, and onions, half an onion, and for final garnish I'm using some coriander. And the vegetables I'm going to use, this is my own garden grown beans, some carrots. Beans I took a little more because whatever I got from the garden, I got it. This is probably handful of carrots chopped. Along with that, I had potatoes cut and put it in the water. I am going to add it. So very simple ingredients, and I am probably going to use 1 tomato also, which I am going to chop and I will show you. Let's start cutting things here. I am not using the whole ginger because I need the ginger for something else, so I'm keeping it. So I just cut it using a small piece of ginger just for the flavor. I'm going to make it a paste. Green chilies I will use it like big chunks. We'll saute with the rice. You can use these coriander stems in your stock, or you grind something, chutneys and all, you can use it. These are good. Now we have to chop our onions. Using half of the onion. So today I am going to cook it in an Insta pot. This is a pressure cooker actually, and they have it as the settings for rice. So let's start with some water in it. It is a very quick and easy preparation today, so I'm going to cook it in the Insta pot here. This is a pressure cooker. Actually it has a setting for rice. Let's start with some good quality olive oil, 1 tablespoon, and we are going to add some ghee to that. Another spoon, a teaspoon full of ghee to give the butter taste. Once the oil and ghee start heating up, I'm going to add 1 by 1 of my spices, whole spices. It's good to keep it little open. Then before you do that, split little bit and put it. The cinnamon stick, the cloves, the cardamom. Now we are going to add the black peppercorn, the cumin, the bay leaf. I can smell the aroma here. Once the black pepper started crackling, that is when I am going to add these things. The black peppers. I told you the signs of adding water and no, not water, the oil with the ghee, so the ghee won't burn. Using butter with oil is always a good idea. So I'm going to add the ginger now and the green chilies, and I'm going to add the onions chopped. Along with that, I'm going to add my rice because we need all the aroma to get into the rice. Give it a gentle stir fry. I'm adding the vegetable. With that, I'm going to add the salt. I am adding little less than a teaspoon of salt. This is 1 cup rice and lot of vegetables. Gently stir this. I'm adding tomatoes in it. So now it started sticking to the bottom. So I'm going to add water now. So we are adding, measuring 1 cup. We soak the rice, so we just need only 2 cups of water. If we need, we can add maybe a quarter, very little more for the vegetables. Look at them. Yeah, this is covering everything, so I think that is good. I don't have to add any more. And you have to do one thing now. You have to taste the water for the salt. Yes, it has salt, so everything will be tasty. Okay, at this point we are going to cover this. I was in the saute mode. I'm going to switch off that now, and I will go for the rice. It's 10 minutes it will cook. The rice is done, so I'm going to release the pressure. Pulao is ready. Final, we are adding some ghee for the extra flavor. Then I am adding the garnish, the coriander and mint leaves, chopped coriander, mint leaves. Let's stir it a little bit. Once it's cooled down a little bit, I can serve and show you how it looks. Thank you for watching my video. Here is my quick and easy vegetable pulao served with some cucumber raita. This cucumber I picked it from my garden. Again, thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video. We'll see in another easy and quick recipe like this. Please like, share, subscribe. If you have any comments, please write below. Thank you again.